English. So, how is my English?
It's pretty good.
You understand my
Like
English?
yeah, I understand it a lot more than more people.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Even I'm here to practice speaking English. My language is not English.
Oh,
Yes. So,
what do you speak?
I speak Bengali. So, I'm here to practice
Oh,
speaking English. So, I will upload this video with you, like the conversation between you and me. Okay.
okay. There's a whole bunch of weird people on here.
Oh, but I'm not weird. I'm here to speak
Yeah, I
with
know, but I'm saying
strangers. Yeah.
there's a lot of weird people on here.
Yes, yes. But I'm here to make videos, so I talk to good people. So whenever I
Mm,
see some weird people, I just skip.
yeah, like no.
Yes. Are you from the United States?
Yeah. What about you?
Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Where's that? No, where's that?
Is in South Asia.
Oh, South Asia?
Yes.
Hmm.
You know India?
Yeah.
Oh, India is our neighbor country. So what time is it in the USA?
For me, it's 6 in the morning.
It's afternoon, 6:31,
Oh, you're 12 hours ahead of me. It's 6:31 a.m.
and it is 6:31 p.m. So this means you are exactly another part of the world. Do you use YouTube?
Yeah.
Nice. Actually,
Yep.
I'm here to speak strangers and upload it on YouTube.
Mm,
So you don't
yeah.
mind if I upload this one?
No.
No. You
Okay.
can you
See
can
you.
see you can see my YouTube channel. Do you have another phone?
Another? Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to write my YouTube channel name so you can go and see. Look, I just write my YouTube channel name. So if you search this, you'll find my YouTube channel. Then you'll see I posted many short videos and many